Pose! Okay, ma'am, okay lang dito po tayo. Ma'am, what is your name po?
Emily,
Ma'am Emily, if you don't mind asking, how old are you na po?
53.
53. Wow, hindi halata. Dito po tayo, ma'am. Okay, madam, come here. Lola na po kayo? Ngayon pa lang? Oo, lola po. Okay naman natin. Sorry. Sige po, sige. Kayo po ba yung stockholder ng Globe Telecom? Dito po tayo. What is your name po, madam?
Bridget,
Okay, if you don't mind asking, how young are you now? 58. Okay, so pag nagawa niyo po itong challenge na to, bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 year supply ng Amlodipine, alright? So, ito po yung tinatawag namin Dalagang Pilipina Challenge. Alright, so ma'am, come here, you go first. Okay, talikod po muna kayo. Harap kayo sa background. Unahin ko lang po siya, isa lang po muna. Siya po muna, ma'am ha? Apo. Ang gagawin niyo po, pag narinig po yung music, kami po may assistance, dahan-dahan po kayong haharap, lalakad po kayo ng 3 steps forward, then I want you to make your cutest pose as possible within 5 seconds. Yung last pose